Good morning guys, I thought I was to vlog today because I've got quite a lot to do even though I'm literally going to town. But I want to look in TK Maxx and I want to look in Tesco's because apparently they've got a discount on. But then we're coming back, change my bedding, putting stuff unwanted, and tidy my room. But also summertime balls today, it's Father's Day today, and the Scotade, the famous football thing for celebrities is on it, and Louis Thomas is on it. So before I go into town, let's go and walk the dogs quickly. Need to put some eyebrow gel on. But this is the makeup. I don't feel like it's the best. It looks like I've got really bad psoriasis today. But oh well. I wanted to put some sparkle on. But this is the look. Let's go into town. So it's Monday. I didn't really even film much yesterday. Went to the shops. Walked Teddy. Don't know what else I did. But I will be putting them clips in because it's like a Sunday reset, but it's not Sunday anymore. But we are going to still do what I did say I was going to do in yesterday's clip. Change my bed, tidy my room. But already today's been a productive day. I've worked out, did a 5k, walked Teddy, went to the shop. What else did I do? Not much else. But to me that's productive because I've been outside, I've walked one of the dogs, I've worked out, and to be fair that doesn't happen that often in the past. So if I work out, I take it as a productive day. So let's just crack on and let's get into the time lapses. Okay, I thought we could chat for a bit and I'll show you some stuff that I got recently while I've got my mocha, and yes, I've got it in a Halloween cup. I can't believe that TK Maxx has Halloween stuff in June. Yes, we are coming quite close to July. We will probably be in October by the feels like I'm blinking an eye or whatever the saying is. The minute we blink, it feels like we'll probably be in October because this is the first year that I have literally been like, it's going too fast. It's like I'm already in a month of being 26. That's crazy. But also, I have had my first. This is gonna be on my, no, this was not on my bingo card. Jessie J technically knows about me. Jessie J technically knows about me. When I say that, I'll probably be doing overlays right now. But, so, I'm going to Jessie J. I think I've mentioned it multiple times. Probably not on YouTube, but if you follow my Instagram, I've definitely made it aware that I am a Jessie J fan. I am a heartbeat. So So I'm on the email list for her tour, and like she did it in like February, I think, or March. It was like springtime. She made an email list that looked like you can sign up to. Thousands would have signed up to it, probably because she has got quite a lot of fans. People say she's underrated, but I really don't think she is. She's like, my dad explained her like Adele, and it is kind of true. Like, Adele's not like well known as like Harry Styles or Taylor Swift. Like, they are well known in different ways. But Jessie J is still well known. If you said Jessie J, they would know. Price tag, they will know. By the way, there's so many more better songs that she has done on vocal than that. That song is good, but it's like a Harry Styles version of, you know, when Watermelon Sugar went quite big. Harry Styles fans, like deep Harry Styles fans, maybe in one of them. That's not their favourite song. My favourite song, I haven't played it lately, but it used to be Little Freak. I think I haven't really played Harry that often to have a favourite song. Submitted. She did a post saying, she did an email thing saying that she wanted to do a thing for her tour, her shows. So we were all expecting it to be on tour. I also thought there would be a warning. So I submitted a video to Price Tag, and it's been on the Capital Jingle Bell Ball. No, it's Capital Summertime Ball. She knows about me. When I saw it, I like absolutely, my little child, my 10-year-old self was like, no, brain cannot put into words. Brain cannot put into words. So that's been my week, and I will be telling everyone every single day. Because, oh my god, that was the best thing ever. But I got this. Let's do an ASMR. Might be a bit too dark, but it's nice. Oh my god, it's a bit watery. Got a big lump of glitter there. No, it is nice. It gives a shimmer. Obviously, you're not meant to use it when you don't have makeup on, but this is for Billie Eilish and Jessie J and Katy Perry, because that's coming up quite quickly. I've only got like 3 weeks. And then the chaos begins. And then I got this top that is inside out, but I'm not. Got it in an extra large. I could have probably got a large, but I got it for an extra large because I wanted it longer than it's supposed to be. So that's why I got that, but that's the print. And then I just got leggings for work, because the ones that I got from Primark were already wearing away. So these ones were £9. Now let's get on with the clothes, I guess. I have no motivation, and I still need to find my TV remote because I've lost it, because I love to put it down and forget where I put it. I also wrote down everything that I've done today so we can tick it off later on. I might go downstairs and chill out for a bit, and then we can do the rest of the stuff after. But I've changed my bedding, tidied my desk. I just need to put away my clothes. But you know when it's 6 o'clock and you're just like, I cannot be bothered. But yeah, we will do it later on. So I'm in my uniform, so I'm not really showing myself. But it is now Tuesday. I am going to be ending this vlog today, but I thought I would do a Sunday reset with a mix of my after work routine, because I do need to do stuff. I need to have a shower because I'm absolutely sweating, but after that we need to do the rest of my room. I need to put stuff on Vinted, and then we're going to end this vlog. dyeing my hair. I'm going to do a workout tomorrow, so I just need to brush the ends, what I've got wet. But I thought I would show you all the products I've just used. So I used the Sticky Dates body lotion. I've been trying to find this for quite some time. I've only used it for 24 hours, so I don't know how good it is. But that's the brand I am allowed to use because I've got psoriasis, and also I get GP cream for my psoriasis as well. And then let's be honest here, I did some moisturising on my feet, because even though it is normal, but it's not normal to speak about it, people do scrub their feet and moisturise their feet. So I use this scrub from Superdrug and this moisturiser. I think everyone knows this brand. It is really good. And then that is all I used. And then I'm going to put some lip product on. This is by Bioma. I cannot speak. I've been up since 10 past 5. I've got a headache. But I'm going to try and at least put my clothes away. It's literally just one side of my room. But before we do that, now that I've put my lip stuff on, we will try some of these. So I got these a couple of days ago. They were like £7. Well, not a couple of days ago, a couple of weeks ago. Let me open them. Okay, I've opened them now. And this is what they look like. You get a range of loads of different ones. So my favourite one so far that I have tried, and I've ordered these before, are these. These are Smarties. They are amazing. Okay, this is strawberry. I don't know why it is, but I've never tried it before. I thought we would do a little trying segment. So this is what it looks like. So it's just like a chew, but frozen. It was actually quite nice. It still has a bit of chewness to it. Don't know what this is, so let's try it. Okay, that's gonna break my teeth. Oh my god. It is nice, but oh my god, that is hard. I will eat that one afterwards. But that is nice. The last thing that's in here, I think it's a marshmallow. I'm not so keen on marshmallows frozen or freeze dry because it just tastes like nothing. My favourite still is the Smarties. That's my little taste test. And we're going to go into the time lapses, and then that will be the end of the vlog.